In addition to the standalone CEM-530 and software, we also offer the option of the NAVIS-EX software image filing platform. This will store patient data, and we can also utilize it to perform follow-up to look at progression over time. I'm going to go ahead and just double-click on this right eye here. And this is going to give me the same type of analysis that's on the standalone unit. As you can see, we've taken central and then 4 paracentrals. Here we can also utilize the area and apex, trace and photo. If I look at the photo and if I double click on the central area, this is going to give me the same data from the standalone unit. However, this data is stored within our software and can be reviewed over and over. We can also perform manual analysis at the bottom right. So it's going to remove our analyzed data, but we can automatically reanalyze. In the software here, same center point method by clicking around and circling one cell. And as that cell becomes surrounded by other cells that we are utilizing the center point method, it will highlight it in dark gray until you have a minimum of 10 cells surrounded. From here, we can confirm the results. As you can see, this is the auto analysis, this is the manual analysis. So you can have both.